Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by restoring connectivity and access so backups can complete reliably. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and the phone is charging. Uploads fail on low battery. Sign into the same Google account you used before the factory reset so cloud-synced items match. Then open Settings, go to System, and tap Backup. You want to confirm Android backup is active. Once done, you'll trigger restores for contacts, app data, and device settings. This is the foundation for everything that follows. Next, you reinstall apps and pull down synced content so your phone behaves like before. Open the Play Store and use the library to reinstall previously owned apps. This saves hunting them down. Then open Google Photos to restore full-resolution images and videos stored in your account. For messages and settings, ensure Google Backup shows a recent snapshot and tap Restore when prompted. This brings back SMS, call logs, Wi-Fi networks, and system settings. Make sure to wait until each restore completes before. Finish by checking that critical items are present and working. Open Contacts and Calendar to verify entries, and launch key apps to confirm logins. Resync third-party cloud apps like Dropbox or OneDrive by signing in and allowing time for file indexing. If something didn't restore, make sure your Google account is fully synced, that you have sufficient cloud storage and stable Wi-Fi, and then retry the specific restore. If problems persist, clear app cache or contact support for the app in question.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.